Good day, teacher and classmate. Okay, I start unit 2, TASK4. My name is Christian Velosa. My family is my dad, my mom, my brother, my sister-in-law, and my grandparent. I am studying season gardening. Unlike news, the soccer. Okay, I experience in San Andres. On my last vacation in December of the last year, and tried it on San Andres with family, and we wait there for 5 days, in ways and motherboard experience because and it was the first time and visit the series and we visit my place to spread and take one fish. Tips. People shows yarn Rondon and typical base of San Andres. People show what is Morgan Cape and San Andres. People show 3 delos and drinks in San Andres. People can't divide and play snorkeling in San Andres. It is recommended tourists take good care of their money and you must book your reservation before to travel if you are traveling by plane. You must become if you are going to trade to host claimants and you should apply and injections. What people showed in San Andres. People must dance in different entertainations and stations stay day of in San Andres. The community, the Cape of Morgan, and of my have won in shares of thesaurus. No one has found this place on this place is ours the misery, the natures, and the world has one down and has performing mysterious among one's curious when the setting. Thank you very much. Bye bye.